All right, welcome to Unit 3, Lesson 1. In this unit, we'll be talking about systems of equations. So that's two equations on one graph. So today we're just going to do a little introduction, and we will be in writing using a graph to identify where two equations intersect. So today we're just using the graphs. Now, in our past lessons, we've learned about solutions, right? And solutions mean where the x-intercepts are. So here's quadratics, right? And we have this quadratic here where it hits the x-axis once and twice, and it has two solutions. Sometimes quadratics have one solution, and sometimes they have no solutions. Now, when we're looking at these, it's simply we're setting an equation equal to 0. When we set the equation equal to 0, we have just one equation, and we are looking for the x-intercepts. So this looks for the x-intercepts. Now they call this solution, but they also call it a solution when we have a system. So when we have a system of equations, we can see that we have two lines on one graph. This is a system of equations. And in this case, a solution is actually where they intersect. So the word solution can be a little confusing because sometimes a solution is an x-intercept, but sometimes the solution is where they intersect. The way to figure this out is one equation solution is x-intercepts. Okay? But when I have two equations, then my solutions are the intersection. Okay, that's the intersection of the two equations. So here we go. We have y equals 2x plus 2 and y equals x minus 1. And we can see that there's its solution to these two equations is -3, -4. Okay, so if I have linear, which this brings you back to integrated math 1, linear systems has one solution. Now, there's other equations in which you have more than one solution. That happens when we start talking about systems with quadratics. Quadratic equation, I know it's a quadratic equation because the highest degree or the highest power is 2. This is a quadratic. However, this is a linear equation. I know it's a linear equation because the highest power is 1. No power is a power of 1. So this is a first degree equation. This is a second degree equation. First degree equations linear, they create lines. Second degree equations quadratic, they create parabolas. So in this case, these two equations, the solution here is this point here, which is 0, 2, and this point here, which is 5, -2. So in this case, the solutions here are this one and this one. So that's all we're looking at. We're just looking to be able to identify them on a graph for now.